Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Where's Brittany? I'm Brittany and today I'm coming to you from inside of Domino. Lately, I've been receiving questions as to why my bed sits up so high and where I store my clothes. So today I decided to do a quick video to show you guys what underneath my bed looks like. I intend on filming today, so I'm just going to give a little disclaimer. Domino is not the cleanest or the neatest one on the block. I just wanted to show you what underneath my bed looks like. With the height of my bed, I lost my emergency exit views, but I gained so much storage underneath. I do have a full-size mattress up here. It was not altered, cut, or anything. And then I have additional storage space up here. I have 3 storage bins and I keep tons of blankets back here. This entire space is 8.5 feet by 4.5 feet. So I literally have all of that storage underneath, and it's a beautiful thing. Normally, this is how Domino would be. I would have tapestry hanging over just so you can't really see underneath. I think it looks better this way because underneath the bed really isn't all that cute. It's just my crawl-in closet and additional storage. Alrighty, so let's take a look. Okie dokie. So here is my closet situation. I just have a bar up there, and these are actually L brackets that we flattened out and just screwed them up there, and it's been like this for a year of driving 15,000 miles. It has held up. Let's see, if we look back here, I have some tubs. This is like bed clothes, toiletries, and extra towels. I have workout shirts, workout bottoms, and then extra shoes. This is just extra material from my couch, pillow, some clothes back there. This is my large Mr. Buddy heater. 1 gallon propane here, 1 gallon propane here, and I also have the adapter so it can hook up to a 20-pound propane tank. And back here, a beach tent, electric skillet, and this is that piece from my hanging medicine cabinet. This is an outdoor shower, a propane outdoor shower that a friend he let me use it, and so that's here. This is a 10 amp 120 watt flexible solar panel. This is my backup solar panel that I use to charge my 400 watt battery pack. It's a Chinese version of basically a Jackery. See, inside here I just have some shoes, and then these are my main shoes that I keep out. This is the pegboard that I got from IKEA that I'm gonna install in my bedroom area. Okay, so over here I have my 1200 watt inverter, some on and off switches, and then a little breaker fuse little thingy back there. Okay, and then back here I have 2 120 amp hour batteries. I do have a backup camera in Domino, and here's the cord, and it just goes into my surge protector. Okay, let's talk improvements. Boom, this stairwell situation, can't happen. Lucky for me, I have a crap ton of cork left over. Dun, 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 dun. I do my own sound effects from my cork board. So I think it'll be nice if I just lay it out on here. Next thing is this situation. While I was at IKEA, I think maybe like a month ago, I purchased full-size bed slats. And so what I'm gonna do is remove the full sheet of plywood and put those bed slats up there. I'm not sure if it'll really make a difference as far as like weight and stuff, but I think it'll look nicer. So for me, I think this space is actually great. I don't know how it will work out for 2 people. I guess you always could move your batteries to a different area and then have like one side belong to one person and the other side belong to the other. But for me, this works. I just have tons of storage space. I can sit down there. Jaden goes down there when it's actually hot, because underneath the bed stays cooler a lot longer. And basically everything is just out of sight. Okie dokie, so that completes the short glimpse of underneath my bed, also known as my crawl-in closet. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if that's something you want to do. You also can find me on Instagram at whereis_Brittany. Bye.